all, welcome back to Odoo 17 development tutorial. Today, in this video, let's discuss about how to make sure one-to-many records are deleted when parent records are deleted in Odoo 17. For that, I have already created a module that is college management here. And also, I have created a model that is class. Here, if you check, here you can see a one-to-many field that is carrying this subject. Okay, this subject, okay, when automatically, today I will show you how when a parent record, that is when a class is deleted, then automatically this subject related to this particular class will also be automatically deleted. So let's check how can we do this. For that, we are using Cascade, that is Cascade deletion. It ensures that OnDelete is equal to Cascade. It ensures that when a parent record is deleted, all the related child records are also deleted. So let's check it. So for that, let's go to the PyCharm. And in the PyCharm here, this is my college class model. So here you can see that the one-to-many field that is subject underscore IDs. So this is my college class model, and also I'm going to the class subject. So to the inverse field that is class underscore ID, I have added that OnDelete is equal to Cascade here. So after adding, let me run the PyCharm. And after running the PyCharm, let's go back to the module and upgrade the module right now. So here, let me search my module. So here is my module. Let me upgrade it. So after upgrading this particular module, let's go back to the upgrade the module. So I'm going to the class now. And here I'm going to create a class that is S1. Course as Computer Science and academic year 2018 to 24. Let me save it now. So after saving it, I'm going to add subjects here. So let me add some subject from here itself. So let me copy it. I'm adding the subject here. Let me add one more subject. And let me save it here. After saving, if you check the subject here, you can see the subject that is the subject here, that is the S1 Computer Science, the linear algebraic, and also engineering physics. So I'm going to delete the class. So here, when I delete the class, you can see that automatically the subject will also be deleted. So if I go back to the subject and check, you can see that the subject is also deleted. So this is how we can make sure that one-to-many records are deleted when parent records deleted in Odoo 17. Thank you.